Looking for a healthy treat that still brings the party vibes? Today, we're making birthday cake little bites, naturally sweetened and absolutely adorable. Let's start with our ingredients. We're using applesauce, coconut oil, honey or maple syrup, and whole grain flour to keep these healthy but tasty. First, we mix our wet ingredients. Applesauce adds natural sweetness, and honey gives these bites a rich golden flavor. Add in the egg to help bind everything together and a dash of vanilla for that birthday cake vibe. Now onto our dry ingredients. Using whole wheat flour keeps these little bites wholesome and delicious. Here's where the fun begins. Add a little shredded coconut for texture or some sprinkles for a little color. These bites are going to be as cute as they are tasty. Now we're going to combine the wet and dry ingredients, but don't overmix. We want these bites to stay soft and fluffy. Now spoon the batter into a mini muffin tin, filling each one about 3/4 of the way full. Perfect for those little hands, or big ones. Pop these in the oven at 350 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes and let that sweet aroma fill your kitchen. Once they're baked, let them sit in the muffin pan for about 5 minutes before moving them to a cooling rack. Voila! Our naturally sweetened birthday cake little bites are ready. These are perfect bite-sized party treat. Go ahead and have a bite and let me know what you think. Is it delicious? Oh, good. Let's give it a taste. Soft, sweet, and absolutely delicious. You won't even miss the sugar. For the full recipe and a sourdough version, head over to my blog. There's a link in the description below. Happy baking, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more naturally sweetened recipes.